The 2003 Chevy Avalanche Z71. Fog lights, tow hooks, alloy wheels, Firestone tires, power mirrors, windows, locks, and seats, mirrors with signal indicators, heated front seats, leather interior, Bose sound system, remote keyless entry with panic, front captain's chairs with armrests, smoker's package, owner's manuals, six-disc in-dash CD changer, OnStar, auto-dimming rearview mirror with compass and temperature, power roof, dual visors, lighted mirrored, assist handles, dual automatic climate control, privacy glass, fold down rear seat and rear wall, rear entertainment, no video, just audio, rear air vents. This whole thing comes down and folds out. Rear storage. Hard tonneau. Not a one-piece, but a three-piece tow package. Locking tailgate. Rear lights in here. Rust proofing, it looks like. There's the signal indicators in the mirrors. These are also power folding mirrors. Automatic headlights, automatic four-wheel drive, 2 high, 4 high, 4 low, cruise, driver information controls on steering wheel, tow haul mode, odometer reads 67,778 miles. Very nice pickup. The 2003 Chevy Avalanche Z71.